The Battenkill by William Billings Watkins. Each great river was once a little brook, and from a bubbling spring on a Vermont hillside, the Battenkill begins its winding journey to meet the mighty ocean's tide. As a lovely queen walks across a ballroom floor, so the Battenkill winds its way through the countryside. It's down past the site of the old birch mill, and then by the meadows where Philip Embry lived and died. Then to Eagleville, site of an old covered bridge. It was here that blankets used to be made. After a scenic trip by Foster's Bridge and the Thompson Hole, she arrives at Shushan, once a mecca for the potato trade. Rexley, which was once a beehive of industry, is the next community through which the old kill flows. Then East Greenwich, Battenville, and Center Falls. All are intriguing hamlets through which she goes. These tributaries form a royal court for the restless queen. Roaring Branch, Green River, Murray Hollow, and Chunks Brook, and then the ones from Camden Valley and the Steel District, and of course, the lowly Flykill from Anaquasacook. Farther down, two creeks come to join her, one out of Rupert and the other from Chamberlain's Mills and Belcher. While one is black and the other white, no discrimination is shown, which goes to prove that the old kill is no welcher. Mills like mushrooms sprang up along her course. The articles that were made are of countless number. And of course, they ground the farmer's grain and sawed his logs into lumber. The river was once so full of fish that no one bothered with those that measured a foot or less, and the big trout that lived in the Dutchman's Hole was almost as famous as the monster of Loch Ness. If we could turn back the pages of history 100 years or so, we would find the river in her finest hour. Her ways were ways of pleasantness then, for she still had the charm with which nature did endow her. Some of us would like to go back to the good old days, and possibly we'll get the thing we think we want. But it's about as probable as for the river to reverse itself and flow uphill from Shushan back to Vermont.